Hey everyone, ever felt like your to-do list was never ending? That was me, buried under a mountain of writing tasks until I discovered Jasper AI. Imagine going from chaos to calm in minutes. Let me show you how Jasper made my writing life so much easier. First off, Jasper AI has really improved my writing process. It's like having a supercharged assistant. I can brainstorm blog post ideas, create outlines, and even draft entire articles much faster than before. Check this out. When I need an introduction, Jasper gives me multiple suggestions in seconds. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never gets tired. Now, let me highlight some unique features of Jasper AI. One of the coolest features is the brand knowledge base. This allows Jasper to maintain my brand's voice consistently across all my content, ensuring everything I write sounds like it's coming from the same person. Plus, the Chrome extension is a game changer. It lets me improve my writing directly within my browser, whether I'm drafting an email or writing a blog post. Another fantastic feature is Jasper's ability to generate long-form content effortlessly. From detailed articles to comprehensive reports, Jasper handles it all with ease. And for those times when I'm stuck, Jasper provides creative suggestions to help overcome writer's block. Nothing is perfect, and nor is this tool. Sometimes Jasper's text suggestions feel a bit generic and need some tweaking to fit my style. The basic plan also has its limits, fewer templates, and a character limit on edited texts. Compared to more advanced tools like Google Gemini and GPT-4, Jasper can feel a bit behind. Let's talk cost. Jasper AI isn't cheap. For small businesses, the price might be hard to justify, especially when free options like ChatGPT and Google Bard offer similar features. Now let's talk about the support process. Jasper AI offers support through a help center with articles and tutorials, which is great for self-service. They also have an email support option, but I found the response times to be a bit slow. In urgent situations, not having live chat support can be frustrating. Overall, their support is helpful, but could use some improvements in terms of response time and availability. Jasper AI has been evolving, and there are some exciting updates on the horizon. In the end, Jasper AI has been a helpful tool for improving my content creation process, even with its quirks. It saves me time, keeps my voice consistent, and helps me produce quality content more efficiently. But you really have to weigh the pros and cons, especially considering the cost and some of the tool's limitations. So, what do you think? Have you tried Jasper AI? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and tips.